So this kid Jason is a new enroll at school. This couple reach forward to check if he is worthy enough to be a friend. They ask him if he wanted to join their supernatural club. He was so hyped he suddenly from a bush picked a flower with eyes on it and claimed this place is full of supernatural stuff. They were stunned and shocked as they are here in the school from childhood but never seen this type of flower. So this is the entire supernatural team and they were examining the flower and they introduced Jason with another member Mark who is already gifted a power. He can break a spoon just by his mind if he focuses enough. Jason insists to give a try. He without even focusing break the spoon, not even one but two spoons. And shocked everyone. This ginger kid called Ed also have power. He can sense human aura and tell the location of people around with their identity. Later that day, Jason came to them fully hyped, claiming he has found a waterfall. They didn't believe him, but then he turned out to be right. Everyone was dumbfounded and didn't believe how did a waterfall came in overnight. No one had the answers. Jason then claimed that if anyone sit under that water, it will give him superpowers. Then he gave an electric shock from his hand. The entire group mind was overwhelmed with this new information. Also, the water seemed to give a weird energy. Few days later, their friend Mark got missing. Next week, the group left to find their friend on the waterfall. They couldn't find anything. Jason then gathered them to show a ocean he found. They were now disturbed as the houses on that places are missing, replacing an ocean that came out of nowhere. Few of the members believed that Jason is behind all this and he is connected somehow. Still, they had no proof. Then Jason shushed them up to show a Godzilla coming out of that ocean. Now all the female members were having a secret meeting and they were confirmed Jason is not to be the one they should trust. Suddenly they heard a bang on their house door. Looked like their missing friend Mark has returned and he has also gone obese. Unlike Nikocado Avocado, he was 2 steps behind. He then banged the door off. The girls escaped and ran away from their house. Across the street they found Moai emoji statues in real life with Ed and Jason. These statues were again discovered by Jason. Then Mark showed up and attacked them. He again attacked Ed. In return, Ed have this red aura and he flew and attacked back at Mark. Jason then explained that when they found the waterfall, Ed pushed Mark into that waterfall to kill him because he alone want to be with these 3 girls and don't want any other male in their group. Then Ed himself sit under that water to gain powers which he gained. But sadly, Mark survived the fall. After this, Ed finally killed off and finished Mark and insisted Jason that they should both team up and rule this town. But Jason refused. The other week, all this supernatural stuff stopped. Also, Ed died very soon and Jason left off to a new school, as he again had the transfer. The girls had no clue what happened to them the last month, while they all presumed that Jason was responsible and maybe he is not even human. They now believe that Jason, he is doing this craziness somewhere else in this world now.